Have you ever wondered why Mercury, the first planet from the Sun, is often called the planet of mornings and evenings? This petite powerhouse was discovered many moons ago, marking a significant milestone in our understanding of the cosmos. As the closest planet to our fiery Sun, it's been bestowed with a captivating nickname, the planet of mornings and evenings. And the reason? Well, it's all down to its swift orbit and proximity to the Sun. These traits make Mercury visible from Earth during dawn and dusk, thus earning this celestial body its enchanting epithet. But don't be fooled by its romantic moniker. Mercury is a world of extremes, with a personality as fiery as its solar neighbor. So, while Mercury might not be the first thing you see in the morning, it certainly has a unique spot in our solar system. They say size isn't everything, and Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, is a perfect example of this. Despite being just over 1/3 the size of Earth, this tiny giant holds its own, orbiting closest to the Sun. Its small mass, just 5.5% that of Earth's, contributes to its inability to hold on to a substantial atmosphere. But what happens when a planet lacks an atmosphere? Well, without a protective blanket of gases, Mercury is left exposed. This results in a harsh environment with extreme temperature fluctuations, as there's nothing to retain heat once the sun sets. It also means that the planet's surface is constantly bombarded by solar radiation and micrometeorites, leading to a highly cratered and weathered landscape. Despite its small size, Mercury's lack of atmosphere makes it a unique and fascinating planet. Its resilience and adaptability in the face of such harsh conditions are truly a testament to the wonders of our solar system. Imagine a place where temperatures swing from freezing cold to scorching heat within a single day. Welcome to Mercury. This little powerhouse of a planet, the closest to our Sun, experiences some of the most extreme temperature fluctuations in our solar system. But why is this? Well, it's primarily because Mercury lacks a significant atmosphere to insulate it and stabilize the temperature. When the sun's rays hit Mercury during its day, the surface gets incredibly hot. We're talking about 800 degrees Fahrenheit, but when night falls, without a blanket of atmosphere to trap the heat, temperatures plunge dramatically to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. It's like going from a furnace to a deep freezer in a matter of hours. Mercury's wild temperature swings aren't just a random quirk. They're a crucial part of its identity, shaping its surface and its very nature. Mercury's temperature swings are a testament to its unique position in our solar system. If you think the moon has an impressive number of craters, wait until you see Mercury. The surface of this tiny planet is a testament to the relentless bombardment it has faced from cosmic objects over billions of years. It's dry, scarred, and more cratered than any other planet in our solar system. Now imagine a crater so large that it could swallow a whole country. That's the Immerse Basin for you. It's one of the largest and most impressive impact basins in the solar system. Stretching across a whopping 800 miles, it's a sight to behold. This basin is not just a giant hollow, it's a window into Mercury's past, a record of a violent impact that happened long ago. The event was so powerful that it caused a ripple effect, creating hills and troughs on the opposite side of the planet. Mercury's surface might not be hospitable, but it's certainly interesting to look at. Mercury dances to its own beat when it comes to its movement around the Sun. This tiny powerhouse, the smallest planet in our solar system, has a quirky rotational pattern that's quite the head-turner. Picture a planet spinning on its axis, but doing so at a pace so leisurely that it completes only 3 rotations for every 2 orbits around the Sun. Yes, you heard it right. 3 spins for every 2 orbits. That's Mercury for you. This peculiar rhythm is due to a phenomenon called spin-orbit resonance. In simple terms, it's a cosmic waltz between Mercury's spin and its orbit, perfectly synchronized to avoid extreme tidal heating. This resonance also leads to a unique day-night cycle on Mercury. One day on Mercury, from sunrise to sunrise, lasts 2 Mercurian years, or about 58 Earth days. Mercury's unusual movement is yet another thing that sets it apart. This tiny planet certainly knows how to keep things interesting, doesn't it? Mercury isn't just a pretty face. Let's take a look at its chemical composition. Now, Mercury is mostly made up of heavy metals and silicate rocks. The planet's dense metallic core, iron to be exact, makes up about 3/4 of its radius. This is surrounded by a mantle of silicate material with a thin crust on top. But wait, there's more. Mercury's surface is also peppered with tiny granules of graphite, the same stuff that's in your pencil. This gives the planet its characteristic dark complexion. Additionally, Mercury is known to have traces of potassium, thorium, and uranium. These elements are considered volatile, meaning they can easily vaporize in the intense heat. Their presence on Mercury suggests that the planet may have had a cooler and possibly more volatile past. So, while Mercury might not have the same resources as Earth, it's still a fascinating place to study. Mercury has been a point of interest for many space missions. This tiny powerhouse of a planet has been the destination of not one, but two successful missions so far. The first was Mariner 10 in the mid-70s, which gave us our first close-up view of Mercury's rugged, cratered surface. Then came Messenger, a mission that orbited Mercury for 4 years, providing a wealth of data about the planet's composition, geology, and magnetic field. But our exploration of Mercury isn't finished. The European Space Agency and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency have teamed up for the Bepi-Colombo mission, which is currently en route to Mercury. Bepi-Colombo aims to build on the discoveries of Messenger, studying the planet's magnetic field, interior structure, and surface in even greater detail. As our exploration of Mercury continues, who knows what we'll discover next? So, there you have it. A tiny planet with a big personality. Mercury, the morning and evening star, is the first planet from the Sun. Its lack of atmosphere results in extreme temperature fluctuations, and its craggy, cratered surface is a sight to behold. Mercury's unusual rotation and chemical composition make it stand out in the solar system, and it continues to be a focus of exploration. We hope this video has sparked your curiosity about Mercury, a unique and fascinating planet in our solar system.